It's that time of year again, planting season. This year, when you're thinking about the plants you want to incorporate into your garden, we want you to think about native plant species. Native plants are those species that have been living and growing in your region for thousands of years. They are adapted to local conditions, and they have deep coevolutionary relationships with other plants and wildlife, including pollinators. Southern Ontario and Quebec are heavily developed with vast urban, agricultural, and industrial areas. That intense human activity has led to stressed and fragmented habitats. Habitats that are home to a wide variety of wildlife species, including species at risk like the snapping turtle, Jefferson salamander, and western chorus frog. Because much of southern Ontario and Quebec are privately owned lands, it's very difficult to establish large and connected protected areas. But did you know that your green space, no matter how big or small, can be part of the solution? Your garden, backyard, or balcony can be a place for wildlife to thrive. By including native plants into your green space, you're providing food, shelter, and habitat for birds, bees, butterflies, caterpillars, and all kinds of other wildlife species. In addition to being crucially important to wildlife, native plants are also beautiful and hardy. Through the magic of biodiversity, there are native plant species that will thrive in a wide variety of conditions. For example, for any kind of a sunny garden, New England asters and Canada goldenrod are an iconic pairing. If your green space is shaded, then bottlebrush grass, plantain leaf sedge, and wild columbine are really excellent options for you. If your garden is seasonally or permanently wet, then plants like this iris here, blue flag iris, and cardinal flower, and Joe Pye weed are all available to incorporate into your gardening palette. What you plant matters. Your choices, individually and collectively, make a difference in the face of the dual crisis of biodiversity loss and climate change.